Are you looking to update your profile category on Twitter using your PC? Let's walk through the steps to make this change seamlessly. Step 1. Begin by clicking on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. Next, locate and click on the Edit Profile button in the top right corner of your profile page. Step 3. Scroll down the page and find the option to Edit Professional Profile. Click on this to access additional profile editing options. Step 4. Look for and click on the Category section within the Profile Editing menu. Step 5. Once you have selected your desired category, click on the Save button to confirm and apply the changes. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily update and customize your profile category on Twitter using your PC. Tailoring your profile information to accurately reflect your interests and expertise is a great way to enhance your online presence. Take control of your Twitter profile and make it stand out by adjusting your profile category today.